Experiencing F1 game crashes and frustrating black screen errors on your PC can be incredibly disruptive. I've personally navigated these exact issues, extensively testing numerous approaches to find reliable solutions. And now I'm here to guide you through the effective methods that finally restore stable gameplay. First, we address graphics drivers. Outdated drivers are a prime culprit for F1 game instability, often lacking critical optimizations for recent game updates or containing bugs that lead directly to crashes and display problems like black screens. Updating your GPU drivers ensures your graphics card communicates optimally with the F1 title, delivering the correct rendering instructions and crucial stability enhancements. Next, we focus on verifying game file integrity. Corrupted or missing game files are a common cause for the F1 game to fail during launch or mid-session, resulting in immediate crashes or persistent black screens because essential assets cannot be loaded. Verifying files via your game launcher forces a comparison against the official game data, automatically replacing any damaged or absent components, thereby guaranteeing the game runs as intended. Our third approach involves adjusting in-game settings. Pushing graphics settings too high can overload your PC hardware, especially with a demanding title like F1, leading to system instability, memory overflow errors, and subsequent crashes. Reducing graphical fidelity lessens the strain on your GPU and CPU, preventing performance bottlenecks and ensuring a much smoother, more stable experience. Experimenting with display modes like borderless windowed can also resolve specific monitor or resolution conflicts. Finally, we tackle disabling overlays and background applications. Third-party overlays from apps like Discord or GeForce Experience, alongside numerous background processes, consume valuable system resources and can directly interfere with the game's rendering pipeline or memory allocation. These interferences create software conflicts that frequently manifest as crashes or black screens. Disabling them liberates resources and eliminates these potential clashes, allowing the F1 game to operate in a cleaner, more dedicated computing environment, significantly boosting stability.